welcome to my channel, Burritos. This is my first dad joke. So, I'm a part of Iheart Manii and you know, I'm exposed to the whole dad jokes type of thing, and I kind of like it because I like a good corny joke. But with me here today is a brother who is, I can't say I'm kind of take over Instagram these days with something different. Him now follow the usual, dress up in a costume and do all kind of things and skit. Him go to the streets them and pranking half of Jamaica. The brother calls himself Iheart Manii. Money side to the people then. You know kind of dead energy this. Jesus Christ. Come on, man. Come on, man. Give some energy.
Greetings, everyone. Hello, hello.
What kind of Rasta man greetings now?
You don't know the chefs. Greetings without the no 18s. You don't know. Yeah.
Which school you used to go?
You used to go to Camper High School.
Hey, Camper where? Never up in there. Camper down.
Yo, me I go. Bye, goodbye. I'm leaving. This guy.
That jokes, and for some reason Manii believes him can actually defeat me in this challenge. How it goes is that he's supposed to say a corny dad joke,
yeah.
And if I laugh, he gets a point. If I give my joke and how you go? And if me laugh,
if you say a joke, I laugh.
Yeah,
you get the point.
Yeah,
and
vice versa.
Yeah, basically.
Okay, so you ready?
Ready.
We'll start first. We have
Let
some
me
people
start,
around the place.
Let me start because I know this is gonna mess you up.
Oh, okay.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Which Jamaican artist? I not even started the channel. Alright. Which Jamaican artist never used tissue?
Who?
Bounty.
Okay, that was cool. That was good. That was very wise. That was nice.
Alright.
That was nice. Where do girls work while on their period?
I don't know where.
Flow. Flow.
Let it blow, let it blow, let it blow.
That was a good one. What did Beenie Man say when he lost the key to his car?
Oh, Zim Zim, who got the key to my dinner?
What? How you know that?
I think I heard it from my 5-year-old cousin. Wow, man. Wow. Huh. What did Bolt say to the madman? You sane? You sane?
Nah, I'm not getting a free point. As much
Wow.
as stop laughing, bro. I'm not giving you any points. Damn, but these one are familiar. Alright, I'm gonna ask you. There you're gonna know it. What type of phone does a Rasta use?
I'm actually know this. What?
iPhone.
What?
iPhone. That is nothing. Alright, you know what? I go for the big guns. I'm going for your turn. I go for the big guns.
Where do weed heads bury their treasure?
Weed heads. I don't know. Where?
A pothole.
What?
A pothole. A pothole. Okay.
I get the joke, it's just not funny. What do you call a fake noodle? An pasta. Ooh, pasta.
I almost laughed just because.
That's a laugh, that's a laugh. He's laughing, that's a laugh, that's a point, that's a point, that's a point.
That's a deep smile, sir.
No, he's grinning, no, that's a no.
What do you call an overweight coward?
Cowan.
What do you call an overweight coward? A fat pussy.
What? Sometimes I'm glad I don't get the jokes because I'd probably laugh. Is it? That's good.
Yup.
How many apples grow on a tree?
4.
All of them.
No, I'm honest not get the one then.
Oh my god. Alright, go on. The man him just talk.
That's unintelligent.
What do horny pastors say to the congregation?
Wait. Oh. I don't know what else.
Come just as you are.
Oh, actually I thought I was going to say please rise.
You want to hear a joke about paper? Never mind, it's terrible. Terrible, man.
The fact that that joke was just so bad, I almost wanted to laugh.
I'm not going to laugh because I'm not giving you the point because I don't want to laugh.
You know what? We're gonna change the rule. If you smirk, it counts as a point because this is hard. This guy's holding it. If you grin your face, it's a point. Yeah?
Yeah, green berry.
Oh, okay.
If you grin,
Okay. Alright.
the grin is
Your
a
turn.
point.
Is your
Yeah.
turn? Okay, go.
Where does Alkaline get his water from? Well. You know, you get the water from this. Well. You see me?
I have to think about
I should have used me against it.
Why did the gunman's baby mother flee from his home?
What must be why?
Because she tired of the arms house.
Okay, I see what you did there. Okay. You want to hear a joke about construction?
Yeah.
Never mind, we kind of work on it. Is that like a moment of silence for me? Okay.
I think right about now in this time, in this part of the game, it's because you not laugh, me not laugh, so I just said don't go. Okay? Are you right time?
Yeah.
But no, we just left with the most corny jokes. What do you call a royal sandwich?
What?
A Burger King.
That's actually really funny, dog. I wanted to laugh a while ago. I'm not giving
Yes!
No,
that
laugh.
was
Laugh
it!
after.
No, that was it! That was it! That was it! Finally! Thank you!
Wait, does it count even if I laugh like after? Like way after?
Whenever move on, that's it. That is it. G's and P. Thank you, so 1 point for
Why did I
me.
give away that, man?
Where do most fires start in Jamaica?
I don't know, where?
Matches Lane. Matches Lane.
That was terrible. That's actually terrible.
Did you hear about the kidnapping at school?
No.
It's fine, he woke up. Okay. Yo, come help me and give me a joke. This guy's really lame. This guy's tough.
I think I'm actually Rising King. What do you call the security company that is run by elderly dads? Popeyes. Popeyes. That was a really good joke. Can't believe that was a really good joke. Alright, close out with your last one. Close out with your last one, no money.
Alright. It's so hard, man. Like none of these jokes not gonna make him laugh. Okay, why did the coffee file a police report?
Because it was too hot?
No, because the cup of coffee got mugged, bro. It got mugged. You see me? Like, it's so terrible. Like, the cup of coffee got mugged. You see me? Nothing.
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
What do you call an unclean fruit?
I'm not. Listen to the joke yet, so that don't count. Listen to the joke yet. I don't know. Wait.
A dirty berry.
Yeah, that one. No, what I got you to
A dirty berry.
I'm sorry, what for me saying that? I could stop laughing.
Wow, I can't believe it.
That's funny as hell.
So that is it, Berry does from first dad jokes. Big up yourself, Iheart Manii that decided to play very difficult I never want to give me any point. Did you mention
How much
about-
you get? One? You get 1 point?
Yeah, but I think go 1 or 2. I think I get it.
One.
Can't move your face, yeah.
One.
Yeah, you know them people that never play like all domino and them, so them decide so they want to hold up the game. That is what you are, that is. But it was good. You did about 3 good joke. But we decide some not gonna
I
laugh.
can't believe I never laughed. Like, I can't believe I never laughed.
The bounty joke would have get me.
Yeah.
But yeah, you see if I did emphasize the delivery on the last part, that would have been it.
Sigh.
That would have been it.
Next time we'll get it.
But good job, tell people when them can follow you and what exactly you do.
Like a prank.
Tell the people them exactly.
Oh yeah, so follow me at Iheart Manii on Instagram. You see me? Barry is gonna put it somewhere right here. You know, I always want to do this. You know, like.
A decent channel, you think it upon?
Guy,
What am I say?
it's right here, okay?
I am
Don't look like I eat that, you know. Don't, you're not look like I eat that. You might put it right there, so. Right here. Boom.
You think so? This is Iheart Manii and you're watching Disney Channel.
You see me? And then yeah, so there you go.
Keep in tune. Keep
But yeah, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. It was different for me. But make sure you say you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe if you want to follow me. It is at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all over. As usual, if you want to email me, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Please comment, like, hearing the feedback. Let me know if you want me to do more videos with Manii down below. Alright, take care until next time.
No, I didn't want to do it.
Alright, do it.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah. We sell it. Share.
Mic check. Mic check. Oh no, when you talk, when you do the mic check.
Vagina.
One more time.
Vagina.
That is what Manii eats.
Negative.